Nagato is a tier 3 Japanese battleship. The Nagato can be obtained from the store for dollars of the game. I cannot remember the price of the Nagato, but I recommend the Nagato as I find out that it is the best available at this tier. If you have the money to buy South Dakota, Congo, Nagato or Fuso, I would highly recommend you buy the Nagato. Once you have gotten the Nagato, you will find out that it has two types of main batteries. Even though the damage of both guns is same, they are classified as two different guns, so you have to upgrade them separately. One good thing about the Nagato is its secondaries. It has 18 secondaries that can do 9445 damage in every 7 seconds. There are 18 of these present on this version, while in real life the Nagato had 20 secondary guns. There was a pack of 3 secondaries present here where they are 2. Okay, once you have gotten the Nagato, you have to upgrade its HP, then second main battery, and before you upgrade turn, you have to upgrade your secondaries. Turn is a very good quality of the Nagato, as the Nagato has a very small turn ratio. The interceptors of Nagato are also very well and very powerful. Plus the ship is very well and beautifully detailed. The flag that you should use on Nagato is the American flag, and it will cut your reload time to from 14 seconds to 11 seconds, and it will increase your damage to 41,000. Now I will do a battle with the Nagato to show you how good the battleship is in battle. Now I will show you a full battle with the Nagato, but I may skip the boring parts in which I am traveling towards the enemy. When playing the Nagato, you should remember that you have a very large HP pool. The HP of Nagato is 2,28,706. That is a pretty big HP pool when compared with other ships of the team. When playing the Nagato, you should always remember that you have a high chance that your ship would be first, second or third. When playing a Nagato, always observe your enemies and head for the battleships and away from the destroyers, as you are just wasting your shells while firing on destroyers. When played with the Nagato, you should always try to get as close as it is possible for you to the enemy, so that your secondaries can aim and kill them. Always in battle, keep at least 9 to 10 repairs, as you will see a lot of action in the Nagato, and you should probably keep them because you don't know when you need extras. The speed of Nagato is also very fast with the speed skill. It is 40 knots. You try your best to only to only engage broader targets like this HMS Majesty. Looks like I'm going to be heading into this enemy battle group comprising of all 4 of their ships. Now 3. And let's hope for the best. All 3 of their ships, none of their ships has torpedoes. That is a good sign for Nagato. When you are engaging, always make sure you are repairing. And remember, you have very big guns. You can cause a lot of damage. While fighting a battle group like this, make sure that you always take out their battleships first before they can get a chance to take you out. Will I be able to kill it? No. Now he is preparing and he will be a pain. I'm going to try my best to take out all of these ships, but first I will try to land a couple of Selpos at Damanus and then take out South Dakota. One out of 3 ships down. Damanus. I think that Damanus may kill me, but at least I have done good in this battle. Okay, so I have died, but you can see how much damage I inflicted to all three of these ships at the same time. I took out South Dakota. Damanus has 30,000 life, but now it's more because he is preparing. And Royal Soberdawn also took a couple of shots from me. That's good. One thing you have to remember while you are playing Nagato, you can do quite a lot of damage, and in return the game will give you a lot of platinum, dollars and gold, and also increase your rank very fast. Now I will show you my top and best battles from the Nagato. This is the battle before I recorded. As you can see, I killed 4 ships. My total damage was 6,83,072 and I made 43 platinum. 24 platinum in this battle with the 50% boost. Even I did pretty well in this battle, but still I got a lot of platinum and 41 in this battle. Okay, just so you know, my channel has just reached 100 subscribers, and when you get 100 subscribers, this is the message that YouTube sends you. Okay, so that is probably the end of this battle, but there is something I want to point out which I wasn't interested in putting a brand new video, so let's go. The Shanos. The Shanos was my first battleship that I bought after the USS Texas. I quickly maxed it and I really enjoyed playing with it. But after the last update, the Shanos has become the worst battleship. I'll tell you why. The Shanos can be found in high tier games when its opponents are ships like the Musashi, H-41, Super Alaska, Bismarck, Tirpitz, Yamato, and all 4 of the Iowa class battleships. So it gets pretty badly damaged in every battle and does not make me as much platinum as it used to. The reason is here. The Shanos is found at high tiers. The maximum damage of main battery with flag is 32,216, and when we look at the battleships of the lower tier battle, the Congo damage is even more than the Shanos, and Congo is not even part of the high tier game. She is part of low tier game. Congo's damage is 38,000. Nagato's damage is 36,000, and even the damage of USS South Dakota, which is the worst battleship out of these 5, is 32,000, more than the Shanos. So I just wanted to point that out. And also one more thing that I received in the comments, and that is many people don't know this, but I read some research and I found out that the gun caliber of the guns of Royal Sovereign was 15 inches. So Royal Sovereign had 8 15 inch guns, and a bit disappointing was the Bismarck also had 8 but the main damage of Bismarck is 39,000, almost 40,000. And the damage of Royal Sovereign is, I will show you in a minute, 18,000. There is a large number of gap. Okay, another thing, just so you know, the real Royal Sovereign had aircraft runways on its B and C turrets. Texas as you can see, there is no plane in this game, so I would love to see that being added to the game. Okay, so before the video started, I did some battles with the Nagato and made up 307 platinum. Let's just open it and wrap up the video, shall we? Let's see if I can get the guns for H-41 or Super Alaska. Well, that's disappointing like always. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Please subscribe to the channel.